Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1969 Triumph Tr6 convertible. It's finished in its original color scheme of signal red tan interior. These early cars were painted in signal red rather than the later pimento red. So this is more of a TR4, 4A, TR250 color. Really, really handsome. So signal red, tan, 4-speed disc wheels, fitted overdrive to this car. I don't think it was born with overdrive, but along the way, an ambitious owner fitted overdrive to it. So it's now a 4-speed overdrive car. Let's take a walk around it. Spectacular body and paint on this car. One of the best looking paint jobs we've had on a TR6 this year. Super, super good body. Great panel fit, handsome, glossy, superb, expensive paint work, showing no issues. I don't even know if there's a chip on this car, but it's really, really lovely with no paint problems, no bubbling anywhere, you know, pretty nice gaps. I don't even see any door chips, so really handsome, striking, expensive, glossy paint throughout in its original color of signal red tan, chrome luggage rack. We just fitted a great set of new tires. The tires on the car were aged out. Yeah, a couple little chips here I can see. A little bit of touch up there, and maybe a tiny professional repair there, but not much else going on with this car paint-wise. Just absolutely fabulous looking thing. Good original windshield. Is this the original? I can't tell, but yeah, the glass is in pretty decent shape. There are a couple, you know, stone chips, just a little small field there in the middle. But lovely rubber. You can see when the car was painted, all the rubber was taken out and removed. But yeah, very high quality repaint on this desirable early 1969 production car here. So we'll do one final walk around. Yeah, notice the door gaps, just super, super good body all the way throughout. Really lovely thing. Really good door fit coming up the driver's side here. Excellent gaps, just perfect gaps you can see there. So yeah, very impressive body and coach works on this 1969 TR6. Let's look at this car's interior. So the build colors from the factory, signal red tan, what you see here, built to factory specs. It's also fitted with this roll bar, tan cloth soft top, black top boot. It's got this beautiful wood alloy sports steering wheel. You can see here all the dash has been renewed, solid teak dashboard, carpets have been renewed, floor mats, seat belts, everything just, you know, excellent on that interior. In the trunk here, it's chock full of parts, books, spares, a real nice indoor cloth cotton car cover. There's another sport wheel here with the hubs to fit it if you wanted to go down to a smaller steering wheel. Nice album here and all the past documentation of the car. You can see catalogs, a lot of maintenance items here. So, you know, I think this is the jack and tools for changing the wheel. So super nice trunk there, chock full of all those extras. Let me show you the engine compartment on this car. We've spent some time detailing it out, and it presents just beautifully with, amazingly, all the original signal red paint work. Yeah, so under here, excellent running engine. You can see all those new heater hoses fitted. Super good recent maintenance. Brakes are filled with silicone fluid. But this is all original paintwork. You can see on the back of the hood here, all original factory stickers. So amazingly well preserved original paintwork in this engine compartment. Fresh battery, electronic ignition's been fitted. You can see all the cooling systems up to date. This car's ready to go, just super, super condition. There's one final look of that engine compartment in the original signal red paintwork there from the factory. You can just kind of tell this car's been loved all of its life. And there's evidence right there. It's a Pacific Northwest car, so super well preserved. We're getting some gems from the Pacific Northwest lately. So, but yeah, there it is. Undercarriage is great, solid, rust-free, pretty clean. The mileage on the car, I think, only shows 50-ish thousand, 51,084. We don't know if that's original, but by the looks of everything we've seen here, we've got a pretty good idea that could be original mileage. But yeah, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful 1969 Triumph Tr6 convertible, finished in its original colors of signal red, tan interior, tan cloth top, black roll bar, black vinyl top boot, 4-speed, fitted factory overdrive, chrome luggage rack, disc wheels, new tires fitted, and great running driving car. We're going to be placing a test video after the holidays, a driving video of this car going down the road, but great sounding with that sports exhaust system. Super, super well preserved. Early 69 Triumph TR6, sourced from the Pacific Northwest. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.